Hi everybody, Emery from PDMG here. We have another quick read for you guys today, and this one is about the Amazon brand name policy. So let's just get right into it. The Amazon brand name policy explains how to use the brand attribute on your ASINs. The brand attribute is a field on your listing, and this listing should match the name of the brand that produced the product. So an example would be a Hanes product should always display as Hanes on the detail page, as this would be the brand on the physical product, meaning the brand attribute field should read Hanes. Another example would be, let's just say Nike. Let's say they're the ones that produce the product, then the brand name should display as Nike in the brand attribute field and on the display page. Okay, so let's talk about some important information regarding this attribute. So you may need approval from Amazon before listing products with a new brand attribute, and see the list below of potential listing error codes that you might receive at the bottom of the page and their corresponding next steps. Also, if you are listing a non-branded product, you should use the word generic in the brand attribute field. That's what you should put in there. Don't just leave it blank. Okay, so let's quickly go through some of the common brand name errors. So error 5661, this is how it reads, and this has to do with you misusing the field and not complying with the brand name policy. And you can always reach out to seller support, when this happens. Error 5664 is about listing a generic product and not using generic as the brand name, also not compliant with the brand name policy. And more on this, if the product you are listing does not have a physical brand on the product, you cannot list it under your brand. So if you would like to brand your product under your company name, you need to obtain a trademark and place the brand on the product's packaging. So it's got to be on the bottle or on the packaging or what have you. Error 5665 has to do with brand registry. So Amazon must approve your brand before you can use it to list products. So you can't just, start using it without approval and registry through the brand registry program. But if you're not eligible for brand registry, and sometimes this does happen, it's kind of a case-by-case situation, you can try to obtain an exception by contacting Selling's Partner Support and mentioning the error code, and they can assist with this exemption. Okay, so an important note here is that our clients are instructed to contact PDMG directly if they would like to dispute any of the above errors, and we typically will contact seller support on their behalf. And we like to provide the following information. So if you are reaching out to us with this issue, this is the information you should provide. So 1 would be the brand name that was used when creating your listing. 2 is real world images of the product showing the brand name on the packaging or on the physical product. And the brand must be permanently affixed to one of these two. 3 is a batch ID if you created the listing using a feed file. So just send on over that information to us. It's always good to have all this ready to go if you're looking to dispute one of these errors. So let us know if you have any questions in the comments, and thanks for watching.